In this section, we are going to look into the legal and regulatory aspects of banking, and this is an introduction session. First of all, how banking is regulated in India. In India, the banking industry, the banks are regulated through two main acts. One is Banking Regulation Act 1949 and the other one is Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. So these two acts only regulates banking in India through their controlling authorities. So who are the controlling authorities? It is Reserve Bank of India by virtue of RBI Act 1934 and Government of India. Both exercise control over banking. But when they exercise this control, is it at any specific point? Answer is they exercise this control right from opening of banks till winding up of banks. Right. So we said there are regulatory provisions. Whether all regulatory provisions are uniformly applicable to all the banks? Answer is no. It actually depends on constitution of the bank, because constitution can be statutory corporation, or it can be a banking company, or it can be a cooperative society. So depending on that, the regulatory provisions applicability will undergo a change. So in this section, what we are going to cover is the definition of banking, then constitution of different types of banks, applicability of regulatory laws for banking, general framework of regulatory laws, roles of regulators, that is Reserve Bank of India and government.